Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's start with getting a blessing, advice, or a message from our angels to top the reading, and then we'll begin, okay? So my angels, blessing, advice, message, or guidance for my Pisces gang, please. Pisces. And the card I get for you is this one. All right. Let's put this card here, Pisces. Let's put the rest back. And the card I get for you here is Speak Your Truth. Who else got this? I think Sagittarius, if I'm not mistaken, had the same card. Yes, it's time to speak up for yourself, Pisces. If there's something that you have to say something, to someone, I think this is the right time. Not to, kind of brush things under the carpet. Speak your truth, be bold. Let's see why this card is here. Let's open your cards and let's see what's going on as to why you need to speak what truth. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love and support you send to the channel. I'm very blessed. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, of course, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in Pisces. This is going to be a simple 9-card spread just to see what important messages there are for you. And your longer readings are coming. I think your next one, the in-depth one, is going to be next Wednesday. So look forward to that. But if you need a private reading, you can always reach me. My email is in the description box below. So bottom of my deck, I do see the 6 of Cups, but it's in reverse right now. So yes, maybe there was a connection. There is a connection which at one point may have felt like a soulmate connection. We are meant to be. We are going to be together forever, best friends and whatever. But now some of the memories created in this connection are not that great, even though I think you seem to be quite wrapped up and thinking about it. The first card I have here is the Knight of Pentacles, which again is stagnation. 4 of Swords, feeling a bit restless because there's no news, there's no information, no messages going back and forth. Did feel like a very strong soulmate connection because I have the 4 of Wands here, and it's in the upright. Okay, that's a good sign. And the High Priestess in reverse. Maybe somebody didn't listen to their intuition on time, but now somebody is hoping and wishing and praying for a rebirth. Maybe after somebody walked away. Maybe there's somebody's realizing the worth of what they had or they should have had after somebody walked away, but now they are wanting to work together with this person. Let's just take some dialogue message cards and to get the ball rolling here. Then we'll clarify these cards. Okay, Pisces? So Pisces and their partner spirit, if they could say something to each other. Pisces and their partner. Okay. Let's take a couple from here as well. Pisces and their partner. Okay. And I've got a brand new deck, so let's take a few from here as well. Pisces and their partner spirit. Oops, so many. They're out, we might as well take them, right? Okay, so the first one says, I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. So, yes, somebody didn't make a decision on time because they felt they needed more time at that point. And even though they knew this was a strong connection, there was potential for long term, they, I think, were not ready for commitment. They needed some more time to think about it. The second card says, I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. Now, this could be You, them, both of you, I don't know, but there was a lot of chemistry here, there was a lot of attraction here, but somebody wasn't ready to offer maybe this commitment, right? To tell the person, yes, yes, in the eyes of the world, we are now together, or we are boyfriend, girlfriend, or we're engaged, or I want to marry you. They didn't want to do that. Maybe they needed some more time to kind of make up their mind. I wish we could be direct and transparent with each other. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. So, yes, keeping secrets, not telling each other, or maybe one person feared if they were too transparent, or said it on the outset that I don't want to commit, or I don't want to get married, they would lose their partner because they did enjoy the sexual intimacy, right? So now there is a bit of trouble here. I have never felt such an intense connection. So the connection is there, the sexual attraction is there, the intensity is there, but one person was not ready to make a commitment and is hoping that their partner understands that they just needed a little more time. I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. They know they've hurt their partner by not offering this, a label or whatever their partner was expecting out of them. They weren't ready at that point. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. So one partner was in a rush, I think, to hear the words or commit or have commitment. The other person taking a little more time as they still needed to think about things. Why do you feel it necessary to label me? Oh my God, didn't I just say that? We're talking about labels, right? And here the card is. Why do you feel it necessary to label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. So the person who needs a little more time is kind of trying to brush it, under the carpet to say, let's not talk about labels, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, engaged. Let's not label it. You and I have this intense connection, and that's what we should continue because in actuality, they just need more time to sort their own feelings out. I want to hold you and never let you go. Maybe this is also, this intensity scared them because maybe one partner was sure. They knew that once we are together, then we're together for life. And the other person was like, hey, I'm not sure whether, I want to give up all my options. Maybe the grass is greener somewhere else. I need a little more time to kind of make up my mind. So this intensity of one partner wanting it now scared the other person. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? Now, there are two cards saying the same thing. Can you imagine? I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. I'm so ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? So the love is there. The intensity, the connection is there. It's just that one person needed more time while the other person was in a rush to label this connection. So, and that's the reason a beautiful soulmate connection is now in reverse. Things have really stagnated now with the Knight of Pentacles energy. Knight of Pentacles spirit? Yeah, because somebody didn't choose right there and then. One partner feels, I think this is the feminine feeling, why didn't you just choose me? Why do you have to keep your options open? Why can't you label this connection to say, hey, you're the one for me and I'm the one for you? And that's what's led to the stagnation. And now there is a lot of restless energy going on because I guess maybe you guys are not communicating with each other, not texting each other as always, both of you feeling a little abandoned, left out in the cold, anxious, and Same the message again. Somebody needed little more time. It's not that they didn't like their partner. They found their partner very attractive, a go-getter, beautiful, exotic. They knew that this was a wonderful person to be with, but they just were taking a little more time than expected. They were still trying to think of all the investment that had to be put in, maybe to make it into a firm decision or something like that. And maybe they didn't message or say something on time, which has led to this problem in this relationship. For a one spirit, somebody is not happy. Somebody is not happy. They're feeling sad, rejected, almost depressed because they really wanted this. They really wanted this. They wanted this Four of Wands desperately. But yes, they wanted somebody to speak up. They didn't want them to hide or keep secrets. Like, just tell me what's in your heart. Are we getting married? Are we going to get committed? Are we together or not? So because this probably was not told and not offered, it made, I think, the feminine here quite unhappy. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? What's this Judgment card? Right now, I think things haven't really taken off again. Six of Wands, Six of Cups, is in reverse once again. So still kind of working through the bad memories created, still hoping that maybe there can be a rebirth. Maybe sooner or later something can turn around, something can happen. But right now, I think one or both of you are kind of pretending that you're not concerned, maybe, or showing that you're working on yourselves or busy at work. Yes, I've already released you, I'm not interested, but heart of hearts, I still see somebody hoping and wishing that sooner or later this revival of this connection will happen once again. Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles? Somebody, I think, was playing mind games here. From what I feel, they always knew that their partner was the perfect partner for them. This is the kind of person that you marry. This is the kind of person who's loving, nurturing, kind, is the woman or the person that you want in your life forever. But they played some kind of a mind game here. They just wanted to win. They wanted to have their way. They wanted it to be their way or the highway. Maybe they pretended to be a player. Maybe they were a bit inconsistent. They were a bit childish, or they pretended to be. Maybe this was just a game that they were playing because they needed some more time before they could make a decision regarding, do I want this? Yes, I love this person. I do see that this is the kind of person I should be with, but I'm not ready right now. I'm feeling like it's not time yet for me to give up my immature ways, maybe. And they kind of played a very nasty game here, which hurt their person. And no wonder that this Queen of Pentacles, I think, had no option but to kind of walk away from this connection. Now this person is actually feeling bad and wondering how to ask for forgiveness. Yes, they want to come out of this feeling of always being sad and in regret. And yes, maybe their pride and ego came in the middle. But I do see them wanting to change the outcome now. They want to make a decision now. They want to make a decision here. They don't want to live in regret for the rest of their life because now the Queen of Pentacles has walked away, right? And they know that to get such a beautiful person in their life again may get a bit difficult. So now this person wants to not be in this energy of living the rest of their life in regret. They want to make this decision. They are looking to have victory with this feminine, I think. Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Three of Pentacles. Yes, they are seeing things now from a higher perspective. They know that they've made a very, very foolish mistake. They have made a very unwise decision. They are totally now stressed out, thinking about it. Oh my God, what did I do? I was such an idiot. Right? So this person is now seeing things from a higher perspective. They're trying to see long term. They are realizing that if I lose my person, I am going to, yeah, I'm going to like, yes, they want, they are now excited. They want to re-begin from scratch here. They want to send in a message or something. This maybe start small and heart of hearts. This is what they want. The Ace of Wands. They have a lot of passion. They have a very intense feeling towards this feminine, but they are now willing to start anew. Let's work on it. I don't like the fact that there is no communication between the two of us. Things have really halted, they've stagnated. Um, I still have passion for you. I want to work on us being together once again. So, will they, Spirit? Will they? Won't they? Anything else? Yes, they're going to come back with an apology. Pisces, it's just that I think they're not sure whether you're going to forgive them, right? This is the forgiveness card that I've been talking about. Can you ever forgive me? And there was another one which said the same thing. Please forgive me. And here's the Page of Cups coming with a little cup and saying, hey, I'm sorry. And I just needed more time. But now that you've walked away, it's kind of hit them that you're the best thing ever, right? But they're just a little unsure whether you will forgive them or not. So it's totally up to you. Speak your truth. Tell them that this is the way it's going to be, or whatever you have to say. If you're willing to start small and just have a passionate connection and wait for a little more time, it's up to you. If you feel passion without commitment is not going to work for you, that's also up to you. You are the master of your own life. Remember that tarot is just guidance, okay? But most of you are going to do different things. It'll depend on your personal circumstance and the kind of person that you're dealing with. So that's why I always say, if you want a private reading, then we can do one just for you. So that's all I have for you, though I do see this person now trying to come towards you, hoping that even if they start here, like they want to start small, that's for sure. They want to like re-begin, start small, but I have a feeling their end goal is to be the King of Pentacles, to match their Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Pisces.